Hello, everyone. My name's Alicia Waldner, and welcome back to the AI Girls. I'm so excited to share with you two softwares that I found. One that is so much better than the website one that I put in another video. It is definitely one that you can almost really honestly work with to get the foundations of building your website. And yes, this happens in the matter of 30 seconds, guys. Literally 30 seconds. And then on top of that, I have another software to show you that I truthfully haven't gone fully through yet just because I will have to pay for it. So I saved my first round with you all. And that is a video software that apparently makes commercials based off of your brand. So let's see how they work. Let's head into the first one, which is the website one. And let's have some fun. And let's not forget today that if you like what you see, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button. I plan to do these videos as much as I possibly can. So hopefully weekly, maybe more a week. But yeah, just like and subscribe to learn everything about AI. Okay, so let's get this rocking and rolling. Okay, so the first one for building your website is called durable.co. And this site is the one that I'm telling you that is much better than the last site that I did. But first, we go here. It says build a website in 30 seconds with AI. The AI builder, website builder that generates an entire website with image and copies in seconds. Okay, so let's dive in. We're going to hit generate website, build a website in 30 seconds using artificial intelligence. Okay. So this is the weird thing is the last one that I did, they track your location. And although I think this is unique, I think it's kind of freaky. It's like, what if I was building for another company somewhere else? Obviously, it looks like that I can switch this, which is cool, but they are taking your IP address right away or something. All right, so let's do what type of business are you building? Marketing agency. So we have right here, digital marketing. Now it is asking the name of my business and it's adventure marketing. Let's zoom in. This looks a little, you guys can see this a little bit better. All right, and then let's hit next. And as we go into this, it looks like we already have this site kind of being generated. Let's see what we got here. Dun, 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 dun. I almost want to calculate this to see like how many seconds it actually is. Like, do they nail it 30 seconds? It almost seems like it was less than that. All right, so our website is ready. Let's go on and see it. Okay, so here is the beginning. We have adventure marketing, digital marketing, and then we have this little paragraph here that is honestly a little bit hard to see. I'm not sure if I'm loving this. Oh, this is interesting too. So we can regenerate this section. I'm just going to go for it and regenerate it just because I don't like this. And I think that if you're in marketing, you wouldn't like this either for many reasons that we don't have to explain right now. But let's see what happens when we hit regenerate session. So night and day, much better. Obviously, I think it's still a little dark, not totally usable, but let's just kind of read the context of what they have here. Adventure Marketing is a digital marketing business based in Miami, Florida. We specialize in creating innovative campaigns to help businesses reach their goals from SEO and PPC to social media. We have the tools and expertise to help you succeed. Hashtag digital marketing, hashtag Miami, hashtag Florida. So I don't really understand the hashtags on the website itself, but again, this isn't bad for 2 seconds. It's interesting. So we come down here. Let me just zoom out for you guys a little bit. All right. So then we have search engine optimization. And then right here, I'm going to go back in and it says a service that helps to improve a website's visibility on search engines, making it easier to find and rank higher in search engine results. And then it has a little contact button. But one thing I could already say about this one, guys, is definitely the photos are night and day better than what we were dealing with the last site that I showed you guys. So here we have our services. These definitely match up a little bit more. This one, image right here is a little cut off, but definitely this is improving. And this is why, like I said, it's exciting to see the improvement with all of these. Just like the other one, we have like testimonials here. This just looks like one from John Doe. Thank you, John Doe. And then we have this little client section. So right here, it seems like, our work. This is where you can put your portfolio. And then they have the location. And then, of course, a great contact form and all the things. And then social media. So definitely just within a week, we could see how much, this technology is really just growing. So in the side here, like if this isn't your colors and all of that, they do have a customized option. So I'm just going to sign back into my account and see what this looks like for us. And just to note, this is a free software, so you guys can go in at any time. So let's see now if we hit, I think it was, let's try the settings. So yeah, so here we can choose the background, the colors, and this looks like for the Contact Us button that we see, which is down this way here. Oh, it is not letting me move down, so that's weird. So it was choosing this contact button right here. Let's just see if I was like clicked on it, that's why. Yeah, so not really sure how, like what if I wanted to edit this one, but let's just try this really quick. Contact Us, choose style. We can choose a solid. Okay, so it does switch. So this setting switched for all buttons. And we could choose it to be round or square. Let's just put it to round. And then we could choose the color. So for adventure, we have a red. I don't have our exact color cue right now, but let's just say it's something similar to that, just to try to get it more on brand. And then the heading, you know, I like this font, but as you see, we have a bunch of fonts we could choose. Actually, I like this one better. We'll just go with it and just keep going. And then we could add an icon. So if I did have my adventure logo here ready to go, I could add it. Then we could hit save. So that's pretty cool. And let's see what else. We can add sections. Oh, interesting. So you can keep building yourself. So this is very similar to WP Bakery, all the things, for those that know how to use that. So it looks like we can just keep building and going from here. So, I mean, it almost seems for those that have known and have been building websites, this almost is very similar to like ThemeForest, right? You go down, you download your files, you find something similar. But in a way, it's a little bit more customized because already it has your company name all over it. It has more content that's kind of written on there, testimonial type thing. So to me, I'm kind of like weighing the cost of like, you know, ThemeForest versus this right now. But again, this is only going to improve. It's only going to get better. So I imagine a world where we're going to be able to type in like so much specifics and it's just going to make something absolutely beautiful, customized to the point where we don't even have to like do this trial and error. So again, this is why it's important to stay on it. So this is pretty good. I'm definitely happy with how much it's grown already. And definitely you guys want to stay on this website here. Remember, it's called durable.co. I'll have it down in the link below. And this is a free one. So pretty cool. We're going to head over to the next one. The next one, again, guys, I have not gone through yet just because I was saving it for you guys because it sounds like we can only get it once, but it's for video. So let's go check it out really quick. So this one is called Waymark. And if you read here, boost local sales with AI generated video. When TV, CTV, and digital ads are this effortless, the possibilities are limitless. High impact ads are now open to everyone with Waymark. So let's go on and try the demo, guys. I'm going to go click this here. Okay. So it says, find your brand to generate videos with AI. So I'm going to use Adventure Marketing, my marketing agency again. I'm going to type in Tampa because that's where we are primarily based out of, for those that don't know. Let's hit search and let's see what happens. Interesting. So we did come up. So it looks like it actually really does search for your company, which is pretty interesting. This one is us. I know that because that's our address. That's our company office address. So I'm just going to click this right here. Use. So let's see what happens. Importing your brand. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. So I'm going to zoom in for you guys again a little bit so you guys can see this. Anything you want to highlight, if not, just leave this blank. So AI instructions, job title, message, slogan. I'm just going to do something quick. Tampa's best creative agency with high impact results. Making it up as I go. Oh, look, we get to choose the fun or vibe, which we can choose fun, professional, laid back, inspiring, which I'm always fun, guys. And everything I do, it's fun. So we're going to stick with fun because that's what I like. Let's see, generate video. We are generating a commercial. This is going to be Adventure's first commercial, guys. So this is exciting. Let's see what we got. Okay. So looks like something just loaded for us. So let's see what this looks like.
If you're a talented and creative digital marketer, we want you on our team. We're hiring web developers, graphic designers, SEO, SEM, and PPC experts, videographers, and photographers, and brand developers. Join us and be part of something special. At Adventure Marketing, we're all about growth for our clients and for our team. Apply today at adventuremarketing.co or call 813-938-6629.
Wow. So if you guys were not watching my reaction, I was just mind blown with all the images that were taken off our site, how much detail there was in there. So obviously this isn't perfect, right? We know that there was lots of things that like just totally didn't make sense. But for it to pull that within seconds and pull all that information and put it together is just unreal. Like, this is obviously our company number. Right away, they started off with our company address. I'm just going to put the volume down here on this one. Let's see if it'll let me over here. So weirdly, it's not letting me really easily skip where I want. But this is one of our big clients. Like, that was super cool how they brought that in. Obviously, right here, it was a little messed up. Like, they had a lot of blank stuff happening here. And like, I don't know what was happening here, but very, very shocked, guys, because again, this is only the beginning of it all. And that's why it's so exciting to just see like where this goes. And yeah, I'm like mind blown. Look at, there is an edit option. Let's see what this is about. So new feature, AI voiceover. So if we wanted, it sounds like we can change.
If you're a talented and creative digital marketer, we want you on our team.
It looks like we can change the information had they got any of it wrong. But, you know, they were looking for, this is if we're hiring. So join our team. So I guess we can change this script up just out of curiosity. Inquire our services. Make your brand something big. I'm just going with it. Instead of this, I'm going to say, let us help you stand out. Inquire us today. Tampa's best creative agency, call, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So let's see if, we don't want to say, are here to help. Okay, so I'm switching all of this up. So let's see how this all looks. Oh, it looks like we can change colors. There are colors that we really did crush it. Font, music. I was good with everything else. So let's hit finish. And now let's see. Okay. So now when you start to customize it, this is where the paid comes in. I do believe $250 is way too high right now. Clearly, we saw that the product is not fully there. So would I spend this much yet? No, but that's really totally up to you. But this definitely is where it cuts us off. So it's cool to get that first foundation, but you know, again, let's just keep watching this and we'll check back with Waymark in a little bit, in a matter of month, 2 months, and see how much further they have grown. So thank you so much for watching the AI Girls. I am so excited to bring you as many videos as I possibly can. My name's Alicia Waldner, and I am your AI girl. Make sure that you like and subscribe to see all of my upcoming videos. I am only getting better, and so is AI. So stay tuned.